Buchanan celebrating a win in relation to a case where a female student constitutional rights was breached, and this is because she did have locks on them thing. There's it. Now Isat was also representing the family at one point, but I don't think he's them current lawyer now, but him did I represent them in relation to the same locks thing here. And the lawyer make a post celebrating and all of that. But let me get to this story so I understand what's going on some more. Is it? So the article is saying, appeal court rules Kensington primary ban on dreadlocks breaches constitutional rights of child. The Court of Appeal today ruled that Kensington Primary School in St. Catherine had breached the constitutional rights of a female student who was denied access in 2018 after failing to trim her dreadlocks hair. Outgoing president of the Court of Appeal, Justice Patrick Brooks, in handing down the decision, said it is declared that the policy of the board management of Kensington Primary on the wearing of dreadlocks hairstyle was breached the following rights as they related to the ZV rights. The judge noted that the child rights to freedom of expression and the right to equitable treatment by a public authority in the excuse of any function were violated. The landmark decision overturned in part a 2020 decision by the Supreme Court that the school policy did not breach the child's constitutional right. The school had justified its position on the basis that it found that the hairstyle harbored lice and junjo mole infestation and threatened to withdraw the child's admission if the then 5-year-old student hairstyle remained. However, the student parents, Dale and Shereen Virgo, who refused to cut their daughter's hair, instead filed a lawsuit against the school board, the education ministry, and the attorney general, arguing that the child's constitutional rights had been breached. In the meantime, attorney at law Isaac Buchanan, who had represented the Virgos in the lower court and was the instructing counsel in the case at hand, has hailed the case as a victory for the entire Jamaica while emphasizing that the court got it right. I am very pleased with the outcome of the recognition of human rights, in particular freedom of expression and equitable treatment as it relates to dreadlocks, Rasta and Afro identity in modern Jamaica, the attorney said. So my people, as me say, Isaac Buchanan, and of course he's a Rasta as well, so obviously more have to say, people have locks. Well, I don't know if I'm a Rasta, but I know him have locks, put it that way there. So you don't know people who have locks wants to be treated fairly, not because you have locks people know for scan or them way they call here the school that talk about the girl here have lice and junjo and Jaja, I guarantee you that's just an excuse that the school put up, but that's just my personal opinion. I'm not saying that's 100% facts, but anyway, my people, let me know anything about this in the comment section.
You can come.
Hey boy, why for that? You know you did, man, yeah? Fix up a speech and I talk to man. Next time say you can forward, yeah? Boy, I feel like I'm laughing thing with them, Make sure to them never trust you neither.
So how may I help you?
How can I help you? Let me ask you a question. I want to go on for a teacher case. Why is it quiet?
They close the door. They don't want no one else in there.
The boy them lock you out of courthouse. So you get time to focus on the case then. So why your counteraction?
Context matters.
Context matters, my blood eye boy. I'm a bum something in your head, You have sense? Every day me start a courthouse, the judge and go and drink liquor, And laughing, and you say the boy and cook up something. Hey boy, me tell you this. Try find a way for peep to the window and see what I go on in there, Cause if you make this go back a retrial, I tell you I gotta drag your butt.